What was the next step after that?
After that, I went and I had the tooth removed, and clearly it was, like I say, it was more than just a normal extraction. A lot of stitches, a lot of bleeding, and initially the plan had been that I'd go back to Loughborough just to get stitches out and follow up, but straight away they said actually I need to come back to the Max clinic. So
that's the maxillofacial department,
clinic, yeah, in Leicester LRI. The appointment duly came through, and I went back and saw one of I think it was a registrar there, who sort of said, you know, they'd had the results back, and unfortunately there was a tumour there. The positive bit of that is it was caught really early, was the view. And at that point, I sort of started on a roller coaster of activities. So you've got the trauma, but in some ways there was a bit of relief there, because up until that point I'd been suspecting and was worried, had I got cancer? At least then I knew. And it sounds crazy to say, but there was almost a sense of relief that at least I knew and I had something I could deal with.
That's interesting. So that worry about what's going on, is it cancer, was partly alleviated by them giving you the full facts.
Yeah. The fear of cancer is greater than the fear of cancer, I think.
Interesting. What did they actually tell you about the stage, the nature of the tumour, and or the outlook at that stage?
So the feedback was that, you know, they thought it had been caught early. I think what was said was that they could treat it in terms of surgery, but it was a very blunt instrument that they were going to use, and didn't go into a lot of depth about the surgery initially on that first visit. So I knew there would be an operation and they would remove it. The extent of the surgery came later, but I have to say it was all really positive, and straight away I saw the Macmillan nurse, I saw the dietitian, I saw the speech therapist. They took me up onto the ward where I'd be looked after, and then said, go away and have your 2-week holiday. So we did, and I thought we'd go away on holiday and have an absolute nightmare, but actually we had one of the best holidays we've ever had. So
you were able to put things out of your mind, or you were relieved that they'd already made some progress?
Yeah, because the treatment was in progress and I knew what was going to happen. Was able to not forget it, but you can actually just place it there at the back of your mind in that right spot, you know. So there were brief seconds where you didn't think about it, but enough that you could enjoy a holiday.